Kid here. Okay, so Merry Christmas everybody. It's Christmas in Australia right now, December the 25th. I've got my presents for Christmas. I'll show you them on some other videos. So there's been an update on Trains and Rail Yard Simulator, which you can see here. You never saw these engines before. Now I'll go into detail and I'll explain them and all that just in a second, because I'm going to do the trick that, this trick, I like this trick. Wait, can we walk over the couplers? No, we can't, that sucks. I know I'm on this 100. Oh, I can't go over on that, it sucks. I don't know what engine is this. If this is this SD40 is a Conrail or a British Columbia rail engine. I know the other ones are Bellington Northern. So, come on, get in. No, I'm gonna get over the other side. Yeah, I'll show you the controls. These are pretty good. It even looks exactly the same as an actual SD40's controls. Get going. Yeah, so there's the radio fan stuff that comes out right there. Yeah, so I've always been wanting to see the SD40s in this game. I've always been wanting to see an SD40 in Trains and Rail Yard Sim. I mean, it doesn't have any different horn, it has the same horn as all the other trains. But it's still good to have two different, not just one exact SD40. You can actually choose between two. I wonder how fast this thing can go. Real life, I think these engines can go 80 mph, miles an hour. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can build a train with these engines. So you guys later, bye.